Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
Who you think is gonna win, the Texans or the Colts?
I think the Texans are gonna win.
Why you think that?
Because I fucking hate the Colts.
Damn, bro. You hate them like that?
I despise the fucking Colts with a passion, alright? I hate everything about the town. I hate the town, I hate the city, I hate the team. I fucking hate Peyton Manning. I despise their black head coach, you know? Power to him, but I still hate the fucking team. Damn, yo. You know what the Colts did? They fucking, these niggas, these bitch motherfuckers were playing in Baltimore for who knows how long, 130 years, some shit like that. Ever since slavery ended, they was fucking started playing football in Baltimore. These niggas were playing football in Baltimore. All of a sudden, one night, you know what they do? These niggas get on a fucking school bus and they drive to Indianapolis at 2 o'clock in the morning. And they become the Indianapolis Colts. What kind of bitch shit is that? Who the fuck gets up and leave, yo? What the fuck? In the middle of the night, you don't tell nobody? You know what? So ever since then, I fucking hate the Colts. I'm anti-Colts all day, yo. If the fucking Texans are playing the Colts, I'm going with the Texans. If the fucking Bobcats from the NBA are playing the Colts, I'm going with the Bobcats. If it's fucking my high school team in the Colts, I'm going with my fucking high school team. I'm always going to go with any team that fucking beats the Colts. You know what? Peyton Manning, you suck a big dick. You whack motherfucker. You won 1 Super Bowl, and how long? 20 years? Man, if I played for as long as you and much money as you did, I would win 13 of the fucking Super Bowl rings. Damn, yo. Everybody is overpaid. They fucking suck. How many games they lose already? 4? Whack ass niggas, yo. I fucking hate the Colts with a passion. I hate everything more than Colts. I fucking hate the Colts more than broccoli. I hate the Colts more than a bitch who don't know when to shut the fuck up. I hate the Colts more than a fucking ignorant ass nigga who try to start shit with me. I hate the Colts more than a fucking serial killer, alright? Than a fucking serial rapist. I hate the Colts more than a fucking nigga who framed me for a fucking drug deal gone bad, alright? I fucking despise the motherfucking Colts, alright? I hate the Colts more than a fucking girl who comes in here, gives me AIDS and don't tell me about this shit, alright? That's how much I fucking hate the Colts. I will always hate them the most, okay? Y'all may call me a hating ass nigga. No, I'm a Colt hating ass nigga, yo. Let's be specific. I got love for everybody except the fucking Colts, yo. So if I ever see one of the Colt motherfuckers walking around in front of me, oh man, y'all better hope I don't have no weapon or any types of object of mass destruction carrying in my right front pocket at that time. Peyton Manning, if you ever sign in autographs in my general vicinity, you are dead, because I fucking hate the Colts. Whack ass nigga. But yeah, yo, I think the Texans gonna win.